Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to add a contact form in WordPress. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, what you need to do is to have Elementor in your WordPress, okay? So now, install and activate a contact form plugin. Start by installing and activating a contact form plugin on your WordPress website. Some popular options include Contact Form 7, WP Forms or Ninja Forms. You can find and install plugins from the WordPress plugin directory or directly from the WordPress dashboard by going to Plugins. Then under Plugins, select Add New. Now create a new form. After installing the Contact Form plugin, go to the plugin settings or find its menu in the WordPress dashboard. Create a new form by specifying the fields you want to include. So for example, name, email, or messages. Configure form settings. So customize the settings for your contact form such as not email notifications, success messages, or form validation rules. Each contact form plugin may have its own interface and settings, so refer to the plugin's documentation for a specific instruction. Now edit the page with Elementor. Go to the page where you want to add the contact form and click on the Edit with Elementor button to open the Elementor editor. Now add a new section. Within the Elementor editor, click on the plus sign or icon to add a new section to your page. Choose the desired column structure for the section. Now drag and drop from the form widget. So from the Elementor widget panel, search for the contact form widget provided by the contact form plugin you installed. Drag and drop the form widget into the section you've created in the previous step. Now for the next step, we have select the form. So in the form widget settings, select the form you've created from the drop-down or by using any other provided option. Now customize the form appearance. This is an optional action. So modify the form's design and layout using the available styling options in Elementor. You can change the form's colors, typography, alignment, and other visual aspects. For the last step, we have a save and publish the page. So once you have finished and customizing the contact form, click on the Save or Update button in Elementor to save your changes. Preview the page to see the contact form in action. So by following these steps, you should be able to add a new contact form to your WordPress website using Elementor. The specific process may vary slightly depending on the contact form plugin you choose and its integration with Elementor. And that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one and have a great day.